Records maintained in hospital. The patient's clinical record, records of nurses' observations, nurses' notes, nurses' records of orders carried out, records of treatment, records of admission and discharge, records of equipment loss and replacement, records of personal performance. Patient's clinical record. The head nurse's responsibility for clinical record, protection from loss and safeguarding its content. Patient's clinical record should be complete. Responsibility of the nurse's notes. Evaluation, principles in keeping records. What information is essential to record? What useful purposes will it serve? Is information obtained in other way or is recorded elsewhere? Can two records be combined? Can it be easily filled? Is the form uniform throughout the hospital? How to improve record keeping? Get into the habit of using factual, consistent, accurate, objective and unambiguous patient information. Use your senses to record what you did. Ensure there is reason rational. Ensure notes are accurately dated, etc. How to improve record keeping? Continued. Follow the SMART model: specific, measurable, achievable, realistic and time-based model. Write up notes as soon as possible after an event. Do not include jargon, meaningless phrases. It must be clear what was originally written. The NMC's position and abbreviations is that they should not be used. Example, PT could mean patient, physiotherapist or part-time. BD could mean twice or brought dead. Nursing reports. Introduction. Reports can be compiled daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly and annually. Report summarizes the services of the nurse and the agency. Reports may be in the form of an analysis of some aspect of service. Importance of reports. Good reports save duplication of effort and eliminate the need for investigation. Full reports often save embarrassment. Patients receive better care when reports are thorough and give all pertinent data. Criteria of good report. Reports should be made promptly if they are to serve their purpose well. A good report is clear, complete and concise, etc. Types of reports: oral reports and written reports. Reports used in hospital setting: change of shift reports or 24-hour report. Reports used in hospital setting. Continued. Share significant information about family members as it relates in client's problems. Continuously review ongoing discharge plan. Describe instructions given in teaching plan and client's response. Sample of and change of shift report or 24 hours report: date, ward, number of beds, final census and signature. Reports used in hospital setting. Continue. Transfer reports. A transfer report involves communication of information about clients from the nurse on sending unit in the nurse on the receiving unit. Nurse should include the following information: client's name, age, primary doctor and medical diagnosis, etc.